If dating apps are your main source of hope, that's already the problem. Delete them, at least for now, because too many men are trying to date before they even build themselves. And that's a serious problem in modern dating. You keep chasing matches while neglecting your body. You keep checking messages all the time while neglecting your purpose. You keep seeking validation while neglecting your confidence. And these are the wrong priorities, my friend. You are trying to be chosen before becoming valuable. The problem with the modern dating nowadays and the dating apps like Tinder, Hinge, all of these things is that all these dating apps can become a serious distraction in your life. They make you think progress is actually happening, but swiping is not growth. Notifications are not actual confidence. Matches are not self-worth. They are not who you actually are. It's just a match on an app. It literally means nothing. Many men out there need less screen time and more real life. You have to understand seriously that your phone and any app that you're using daily, it's completely meaningless, because what's happening, my friend, what you need in your daily life, it's what's happening outside there in the real world, because your phone means literally nothing. It's just a mobile device that you can throw anytime away and it will not even change your life. It's not your oxygen, it's not your water, it's just an application, it's just a phone. It will not seriously change your life. What's happening outside in the real world is the actual life. It's where you should focus on. Speaking to people outside in the real world, interacting with other people, enjoying the sun, going outside for a walk, working out, biking. This is the real life. The phone is just an activity that takes your attention away and gives you 0% of improvement. Literally nothing. Just imagine 90 days without chasing online attention. Instead, start training seriously. Go outside and start working out, improving your style, how you look in front of the other people, going out more, nature, friends, socializing, building social confidence, having fun, becoming respected. That changes a man. These are the serious priorities that you need in your life, my friend. Train hard. A strong body changes posture, hormones, confidence, and actual presence. It's very important for you to create a routine that you go daily to the gym, that you do daily something that improves your body, improves your physique, improves your health, improves your mindset. Working out is not just for your body, it's also for your mind. They are both serious priorities in your life. Reading a book, going to the gym, challenging yourself, watching a documentary about something that is interesting for you, this is what actually improving your life. You should daily do 10 push-ups every single day. Just push yourself to do these 10 push-ups. Believe in yourself. Change your mindset. Get down on the floor right now and do 10 push-ups. Of course, the 10 push-ups will not change your physique. Of course, they will not change your life today, but it's something that slowly, with small steps, will actually improve your life, will actually change your mindset once and for all. Think of it like that. If I tell you to go from where you are right now to Argentina, to New York, is it possible to do it with just one step? Obviously not, but with small steps every single day, at some point, you reach both Argentina or both New York. It's simple as that. It's not the big steps, it's the small daily steps that they bring you closer to your goals. And training hard every single day, it's actually one of these things that will change not just your mind, your body, your confidence, your hormones. And women read that. They see it in the streets and they want to talk to you. They're just looking at you all the time. You have the confidence and you're ready for a challenge. You're open for a new challenge. All you have to do is just go and talk to her and say, hey, my name is Achilles. Nice to meet you. You look like a fun girl. What are you doing here today? Oh, I was going to the city center. Ah, that's great. That's exactly where I was going to as well. And then slowly get her phone number, get her Instagram and start talking to her. And then later in the real world, date her. It's simple as that. Build a fun life. Have events, lots of friends, travel, experiences, feel the nature. Attractive men often have attractive lives. Think of your favorite athlete. Why is he your favorite athlete? Because probably he has a great physique. He has proved to you that he can actually do things. He has proved to you that he can challenge himself and actually get something from it. He has proved to you that he has a fun life. He's rich. He's wealthy. He's confident. You should do the exact same things for yourself. Daily challenge yourself to be a better man, a more fun and interesting man, because that's what women want nowadays. That's what women want for the eternity of the humankind. As long as we exist, women would love that. You should always be interesting. You should always have stories to tell to them. You should always be fun, confident, look them in the eyes, touch them a little bit, be playful, because that's what a woman wants. A woman wants entertainment. Become this entertaining man. It's simple as that. Improve real confidence. Speak to people. Be social. Learn presence. You should always be the interesting man in the room. You should always be the man that people are turning their heads to look at you because you have something about your energy, about your power that people can read from miles away. Knowing how to speak to people, it's not just a skill that will make your life more fun and more interesting. It's a skill that will improve your life in many, many ways. And this is what a woman wants from you. A woman wants to see you, that you can actually chat with her. You have infinite subjects. You have infinite stories. You're a fun, interesting man that is always curious to listen to a new story from you. That's what she's craving for. You should be the man that she's thinking of when she's going to bed. You should be the man that she's thinking of when she's talking to her friends. You should be a fun, social man, confident, that knows a lot of jokes, that always dares to look her in the eyes and be playful. That's what they want. Focusing on real confidence will attract real results in real life. You cannot just be confident through an app. You should be confident in real life. You should challenge yourself this week to go and speak to someone that you didn't dare to do it for months or for years. If there is someone in your class, or you see someone in the bus, or you see someone in the train, just go say, hey, can I sit right next to you? Yes, of course, she's gonna say, obviously. You can sit right next to her, say a few jokes, be playful, be like, ha ha ha, say something, and now you're interesting. And you know what's the most important thing right here? You're not just interesting through a phone, you're interesting in real life. And instinctively as humans, this is what we are craving for. Real life interactions, not just messages online. This is just pure depression. This is just pure sadness. Use apps later, not now. When you become stronger, apps become optional. Dating apps like Tinder, Hinge, and all of these things have no meaning. It's literally just a tool. The pictures you have, the pictures she has mean actually nothing. What will have actually meaning out of this is when you go outside and chat with each other, drink something, eat something, go for a walk, and later be more intimate. This is what women are craving, man. They're not craving just a voice message, a few likes on her post or your posts. This is literally meaningless. Your priority should always be meeting her outside of the phone, meeting her outside in the real world. Put your phone away for at least 7 days and focus on yourself. Go out and train. Go with your friends outside and have some fun. Be present. Be in the moment. Focus on what's happening right now. Don't focus on the future. Don't focus on the past. Go outside. Improve yourself. Sit on a bench. Enjoy the sun by a lake, by the water. Go take a swim. Drink something with your friends. Go to a restaurant, even alone. It doesn't matter. Become social outside of the social media. Leave the apps on the side for at least 7 days and focus on your growth. Create the man that you always dreamed to become. Start from today. Delete the apps. Become the man. Then watch your life changing fast. This is The Strategic Man, and my name is Achilles. If you want more dating advice, you found the right channel, my friend. Click the subscribe button right now. Become a part of this legion, and let's improve together every single day. 1%. See you in the next videos. Bye.